Hey besties, welcome back to Naija Consumer Hub YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you how to read product label like a pro while shopping either in the superstore or your local store to avoid buying fake or expired products. So here is one of the products I consume daily. We have the manufacturer of the product stated here with their logo. Then another thing to look out for is the NAFDAC registration number. We have the NAFDAC registration number here, NAFDAC reg number 011033. Please, if your product does not have NAFDAC registration number, please do not buy it. Another thing is to check the expiry date. The expiry date is written here as BB06 2026, and before the expiry date we have the PD03 2025, which is the production date. This product was produced March 2025 and we are in May 2025, so it is safe to consume. Another thing to look out for is the ingredients that is being written here. Check the sealing integrity of the product. If the sealing integrity is compromised, probably it's opened or dented, please do not buy it because it could have damaged the quality of the product. Then another thing to look out for is to check the name of the product. If there's any letter missing in the name of the product, please do not buy it. Or you notice any color changes in the product label, please, it might definitely be a fake product, because we have it in mind that if there's any changes in the product label by the manufacturer, it would have been communicated to the public. Then as a consumer, we have a role to play, and the role is to check the instruction that is being given. Please follow the instruction to ensure that your product is being stored properly to avoid complaints. So besties, read products label while buying, and also share this video with friends who shops without checking. Remember, the safety of your health is determined by what you eat. Please subscribe to Naija Consumer Hub for more tips and awareness. I will see you in my next video. Bye.